So my friend Summer wanted to do a fall shoot, and I wanted to use my new lights. These are the Flashpoint Xplor 400 Pros, which are basically the same thing as a Godox AD 400 Pro. AD is in the letter A, Anno Domini. So I have it on camera right. It's got a 36-inch softbox Pulsey buff one. Actually, I did put a modifier on there, and it has no grid. So I have that lighting her on her left side, and then I have the sun coming, just lighting the background there with the little speckled highlights on the fence and on the ground. And having high-speed sync is really awesome in this case because I was able to shoot it around 2.8 or 3 or so and have that nice shallow depth of field, but then have not have the background blow out and have a nice depth of field there. This is a time lapse of our second location, which is just the same backyard, just on our wood pile there, and have the softbox on the strobe, camera left, and still shooting high-speed sync so I can get that shallow depth of field and not have the background blowout. This one is our third location, second outfit. I've got the Xplor 400 on camera left with the softbox on it as well. And then I put a speedlight. It's the Godox V850 version 2. I have that one on camera right. That one's got a blue gel in it. I'm using this versus another Xplor 400 because this takes gels better. That blue thing you can see is basically a big rubber band, and you can rubber band gels onto it. With how I was shooting, I did have to use that speedlight at full power. It does have high-speed sync as well, and so that's pretty cool. But we had to wait for a while for it to recharge between each shot. But by this time we were pretty cold and we were ready to be done, so we just shot a handful of shots in this outfit. I'll put a link in the description of the gel kit that I'm using here. It's awesome for speed lights because it just rubber bands onto the flash head. It's got 3 sections. There's one section for color corrective gels, one section for artistic cool gels, and one section for artistic warm gels. Hope you enjoyed this. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments field and I'll do my best to answer them, and thanks for watching.